What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got another unboxing and install from my friends over at Chrome Accessories. So they decided to send me out some end caps for the wheel hubcaps for the Can Am Ryker. This fits the 19 all the way up to the 2022. So let's do an unboxing and stay tuned in the videos. See how you get 10% off your orders from Chrome Accessory for your Spider and for your Ryker. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. The birds are chirping pretty loud out here. I got a nice family of birds that live in the house, on top of the house, but they've been there for a very long time. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got a lot of packing material. Here are your end caps. 1, 2, 3. And here are your inside caps, instructions, and mounting hardware. So that's what we get in the box. Plus, as usual, a warranty and a thank you from Big Bite Parts. So let's get busy and let's install some end cap. Okay, just remember how to set these up. The back one is going to be significantly smaller than the front caps. You'll be able to see that. So what I'm going to do is the front cap. So after you take it out, you're going to install these 2 rings. They have grooves to where they go. And that hole is going to line up with the hole where your pin goes through. So let me show you. Okay, we can pop this pin off. Okay, what I notice sometimes is that the pin and the hole are not sometimes lined up. I don't know if it moves when you take the pin out, but regardless, there's a hole where the pin goes, and there's a hole where this lines up with that. This hole lines up with the hole for your retaining pin. So what I'm gonna do is put some soapy water on there. Let me get some soapy water. All right, so I already pulled the retaining clip out, the retaining pin, whatever you want to call it. There's holes. So the holes have to line up, at least one of the holes have to line up with a hole in here. So I already put a little bit of soapy water on there. I'm gonna line up these holes. Oops. I'm gonna line up these holes. Okay. Now I told you it's a little bit of elbow grease. Actually, I think it's better if I use a rubber mallet, because it looks like it holds in a lot by friction. So let me knock it in with a rubber mallet, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's lined up. I'm not sure how good you could see it, but the hole for the retaining pin and the hole that was in the wheel hub are lined up. So I am going to put the retaining clip back in to the hole. Okay, so that's in, and now I'm gonna do the back one. It's done the same way. Okay, so let's install the inside caps, which is really easy. There's 2 holes here. That's the hole you use to lock in the wheel, right? So we're gonna line these up. Get your Allen wrench out. Put them in there, line up the holes. So, oops. Oh, there we go. There we go. Line up the holes. So this is gonna stay with the tire, with the wheel. So it's gonna not turn. It stays straight. Put in the other screw, tighten it up. Put in the other screw, and it's a wrap after that. Let me show you what it looks like when everything is done. Alright, so that's it. That's a full installation. Shout out to my peoples at Showchrome. So if you want to get these, you could go to Big Bike Parts, order them, and go and type in rolling on 3 capital letters for your discount, 10% off. So thank you. See you in the next video.